You know, that's something he's capable of every trip down.
And it's just impossible.
Always this excitement, this aura that surrounds. Down there, their offense is really clicking. I don't see why they wouldn't just continue to pound the ball inside. Tell you what.
Ikaw na ang kasama sa kaman, sino man, ginuman. Iligpit mo na ang mahabang araw, tama na muna ang problema, pupuna ang barkada, oh yeah. Ikaw na lang ang kulang, lahing masaya, lahing sama-sama, sa tapang at sarap ikaw ang angat. Itagay mo na kagad yan, pre, umpisahan na.